In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klaviyo on Shopify. Integrating Klaviyo with your Shopify store can be a fantastic way to enhance your email marketing strategies, enabling you to send targeted, personalized communications to your customers. Let's break down this process into manageable steps to ensure you can get Klaviyo up and running on your Shopify store with ease. Initially, make your way to the Shopify website. Once there, you'll notice the option to log in at the top right corner. Clicking this will take you to a page where you're prompted to enter your store's details. If you recall your store's unique web address, type it here to proceed. It's this detail that uniquely identifies your Shopify store in the vast sea of online shops, allowing you to access the back end of your online business. Upon inputting your store's URL, you'll be directed to choose a method to continue. Here you can proceed with your email, a straightforward choice that will require you to enter your registered email address linked to your Shopify account. It's a simple yet secure step to ensure the right individuals gain access to your account. Following your email entry, Shopify may offer you the choice to log in using an account from a third-party service like Google. If you've associated your Shopify account with your Google account, this can be a streamlined way to gain access, bypassing the need to remember another password. Just ensure to select the correct Google account associated with your Shopify store. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. It's here where you control the levers of your online store, from product listings to integrations like Klaviyo. To find Klaviyo, use the search feature available in the admin dashboard. Typing Klaviyo will bring up the Klaviyo email marketing and SMS app among the search results. Spotting the Klaviyo app, you'll want to click on its listing to learn more about what this powerful tool can offer your Shopify store. The next logical step is to commence the installation process by selecting Install. This action initiates the integration process, where Klaviyo and Shopify start to sync. Post-installation, you'll find yourself in a scenario to grant Klaviyo permission to integrate with your Shopify store. Clicking the subsequent Install button is an acceptance of this integration, signifying your approval for Klaviyo to access necessary data from your Shopify store to optimize your email marketing efforts. Following this, you'll be redirected to a registration or login page for Klaviyo, signifying you're on the final stretch. If you're a new user, you'll be prompted to create an account. Input your store information, including your email, for which you'll need to create a password, and phone number. These details are crucial as they establish your Klaviyo account, linking it directly to your Shopify store for a seamless information flow that's essential for targeted marketing campaigns. Furthermore, opting into Klaviyo's newsletter can be beneficial. It's a great way to stay updated on email marketing best practices, new features, and strategies that could enhance your Shopify store's performance. Ticking this box ensures you're in the loop directly from the source. Now, the moment of truth, clicking Get Started. This final click confirms all your entered details and officially marks the completion of the integration process. Congratulations! You've now equipped your Shopify store with one of the most powerful email marketing tools available. With Klaviyo, you're not just sending emails, you're creating connections, understanding customer behaviors, and most importantly, unlocking the potential to drive more sales with personalized, data-driven communications. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Take advantage of Klaviyo's vast array of features, from segmentation to automation workflows, to truly tailor your marketing efforts to match your audience's needs and expectations. The power is now at your fingertips to enhance your Shopify store's performance through effective email marketing strategies. Thank you for following along with this guide on integrating Klaviyo with Shopify. I hope you found these instructions helpful and clear. May your journey with Klaviyo bring your Shopify store to new heights.